Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize deed searches on Recorder of Deeds website step by step clearly. To begin your deed search, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL of your local Recorder of Deeds website. Once the page loads, look for the search option, usually labeled as Deed Search or Property Records. Click on the search option to access the database. You may be required to agree to terms and conditions before proceeding. Read through the terms carefully and click Agree or Accept to continue. Next, locate the search criteria fields on the search page. Common criteria include the property owner's name, property address, or parcel number. Enter the relevant information into the search fields. If applicable, select the type of record you wish to search for, such as all records or recent transactions. After inputting your information, click the Search button. Wait a moment while the system retrieves the relevant records. Once the search results appear, browse through the list of records. Click on individual entries to view detailed information about each deed. Take note of any record details you may need, such as document numbers or transaction dates. If necessary, use the provided links to view or download copies of the deeds. Be aware of any fees that may apply for obtaining official copies. Follow the prompts for payment if you choose to purchase documents. Save or print copies of the deeds for your records. Finally, if you have further questions, check the website's FAQs or contact their customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.